In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix bugs and glitches in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To fix issues related to bugs and glitches on your Roblox account is quite simple. Just head over to your Roblox app and long press on it and then choose app info. Under app info, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go ahead and tap on storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data that is associated with our app. So we need to clear first this cache data. To do that, head down and tap on clear data and choose clear cache and OK. And then restart your smartphone and try opening your app to see if the bugs have been resolved. However, if this didn't work, then you need to go ahead and clear all the data on your app. And at this point, you'll have to log in afresh. Once you have done that, if this does not solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and find if we have an update in your Google Play Store or App Store for any update. So I'll go ahead and using search here, search for my app and then find out if we have an update. As you can see, we have an update here. Go ahead and install the latest version of Roblox on your smartphone, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Roblox. At this point, everything should be okay. You can now proceed and tap on play to start using the latest Roblox app without any glitches or bugs. But should this not work, it means the bugs might be rooted on the app, and for this you need to go ahead and uninstall it and then install it afresh on your smartphone. Now from here, when you open your app should work as usual and you shouldn't experience any challenge with your app. So that's how you can fix bugs and glitches on your Roblox app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.